What is going on YouTube? We have a box opening and never had one of these. My wife actually just googled it and they came out in the first place in 1987 and they're created by Jim Henderson's company, and they were kind of like a cash in on the Critters, Ghoulies and Gremlins craze. So we have got, you already read the title, so you already know. We've got a Boglin. Warning, keep this bag away from babies and children. Do not use it in cribs, beds, carriages or playpens. The thin film may cling to their nose and mouth and prevent breathing. Is that covering his face up? Oh no, there he is. Ready for a quick sneak peek? There he is. Let's open him up. Oh. Okay, so here is the box. I'll put you on. Oh, you can. So you like take the bottom off and then you can use him. So there he is. I got the crazy clown because he kind of reminds me about somebody. Now where have I seen that clown makeup before? But anyway, and he glows in the dark, so I think we're going to take the bottom off. I'll just show you how to do it. Oh, here's instructions on the bottom. So I guess it's pretty good they do this, or else every kid in the store's going to be sticking their hands up there and getting boogers on him. This is his tail. But I think I'm going to keep mine in there. It's his tail. Honestly, it's his tail. He's going to put his tail on. Crazy cat, clown, Land of Doom, and that's where he's from. So do we have to do like one more layer? I guess we do. Did we get them out? First edition. I guess I should have left them and not even taken this bit off. So we're halfway there now. I don't want to take the... I'll make him put them back in. Oh. So you can lift the front up, so I guess we are going to cut this bit. Trying to do everything so you guys can see. And then I'm guessing you pull this bit up. There he is. I can get him out. Hopefully, if we get him out, we don't come out. It's stuck in the back. You get some scissors. His arms are free. And there's the back. Oh, the back. I'll break the box. Okay, I'm just going to keep them in there. I'm not going to get them out, but I'm going to take this thing out. Oh, there we go. Okay, taking the bottom off. So now I should be able to put my hand in there. Let his eyes move. Well, look, the eyes moved in the original ones. Yeah, you can see his eyes moving. How's it fun? And it glows in the dark. Well, that's all folks. We'll see you on the next one.